U equals U, or undetectable equals untransmittable. That's just one of the key messages at the International AIDS Conference. Our Carl Schmid has been covering AIDS 2020 virtual all week and spoke with Bruce Richman of Prevention Access, who's leading the charge with this important message.
U equals U means undetectable is untransmittable. And that means when a person living with HIV is on medication, and that medication reduces the virus so low in the body that it can't be detected by blood tests, that person not only stays healthy, but they are not able to transmit HIV through sex. It's a revolution in what it means to live with HIV. Now we can have sex and conceive children without any fear of transmitting HIV.
While the science behind U equals U is nothing new, a study commissioned by ViiV Healthcare called the Positive Perspective Study, or PP2, which was announced at AIDS 2020 Virtual, now adds even further evidence of the benefits of undetectable equals untransmittable.
And this is a study that was conducted in 25 countries to look at the perspectives of people living with HIV, how we perceive our health outcomes, daily life, our relationships with our doctors. How do we perceive that relationship improving our health and our future?
Data is showing that when people living with HIV are informed by their healthcare providers, whether they're doctors or nurses, but when they're informed about U equals U, that they have a better health-related quality of life.
We're seeing that 1/3 of women living with HIV have reported that their healthcare providers, for example, had not talked to them about U equals U, something that is empowering to us as persons living with HIV, something that should not be denied to anyone.
You can see more of Carl's interviews from AIDS 2020 Virtual and breaking news from the conference on abc7.com. This